Hi and welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I have been working with different paints to what I did in the past, and I can't even remember what part we were up to. Also I know is that I ran into a few problems, but that's my own fault. With the the paints being so highly pigmented, you have to be careful how you thin them down for applications. In this case, all three babies that I'm working on have turned out to be olive skinned, and that wasn't what I was aiming for, but they do look okay. So it's not like you know, they're ruined or wasted or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to have to stick with the olive skin complexion because I'm pretty much well stuck with it. So what we're going to do now is the creases, and because they're an olive skin baby, we're not going to really blush them all that intensely. So not that any baby should be blushed, but yeah, it'll be a lighter, and I think that's sort of drawing into a close with these ones. And lesson learned, the Jo Sonja paints are highly pigmented, so unless you make mistakes, you are just not going to know these things. So next time I will just, if it's a wash or a mottling layer or whatever, I'm just going to add more water to it. I have ordered another one of their pigments, just waiting for that to arrive in the post, but with coronavirus and the slowdown of all the postage and so forth, it may take a while to get here, and I will try it before I put it on my channel. So still cute, but yeah, quite a bit darker than what I expected. So we're going to do lips and nostrils and so forth, and I'll just mix up some creases paint, and I think I'm going to, in addition to using the Jo Sonjas, I mean, I could mix up a paint, not a problem, with theirs for creases, but to save time I'm just going to use some of the just for small jobs, I might, and it's a waste of money otherwise, the Ultimate Fusion. So yeah, I'll just do that for creases, maybe even blushing, I don't know yet. I'll mix some of that up, and which is exactly, well, not exactly the same. You will use the sealer with those ones, their own sealer. So I'm only going to be using a very small amount, so probably 2 drops of sealer will do it, and you dilute with the distilled water to your consistency, whatever consistency it is that you want. So I will do that and come back.